This is the 19th Street house, a stunning residence designed by Ehrlich, Yanai, Rhee, Chaney architects, located in Santa Monica, United States. Set in a tranquil neighborhood, this modern home embodies serenity and sophistication. The architecture blends warm wooden panels with minimalist white walls, creating a seamless harmony with nature. Spanning 2,018 square meters, the house features a two-story design, an open floor plan, and a beautifully landscaped garden. The living room seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor spaces with floor-to-ceiling glass sliding doors, allowing natural light to flood the area. A polished concrete floor enhances the modern aesthetic, complemented by minimalist furnishings in neutral tones. The open-plan design emphasizes spatial fluidity, while the lush garden view creates a serene ambiance. Recessed lighting and concealed storage maintain a sleek, uncluttered look, enhancing the room's contemporary elegance. This kitchen embodies modern minimalism with a seamless blend of wood, marble, and glass. Expansive floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light, highlighting polished concrete floors. The white cabinetry and concealed storage enhance the clean aesthetic, while the sculptural glass pendant lights add an artistic focal point above the dining area. This modern dining room features floor-to-ceiling glass walls, seamlessly connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. A solid wood table anchors the space, complemented by navy upholstered chairs with chrome legs. Polished concrete flooring enhances the minimalist aesthetic, while a sculptural glass chandelier adds elegance, creating a bright and airy ambiance. The bedrooms feature a minimalist design with floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor spaces. Natural light fills the rooms, highlighting warm wooden flooring and neutral-toned furnishings. Integrated recessed lighting and modern wall-mounted lamps provide subtle illumination, while the extended deck enhances spatial continuity and offers a tranquil outdoor retreat. For more views of the house and its floor plan, check out the following images.